In this video tutorial, I'll try to show how to install WordPress black and white WordPress theme in your on your hosting. For this, please, first of all, when you have installed WordPress on your server or your host account, please go to your plugins section and find plugin under name, click on add new and find plugin under the name all-in-one migration. This one. Click on install. It has been installed and now should click on activate button. Everything is okay now. You have installed this plugin. Now what we should do? We should import all full wool template with images and with its plugins and so on. Full template by one click. Go to this plugin here and click import. Then click very important, you should see here maximum upload size on your hosting. Sometimes your host provider gives you uploading limit in 2 megabytes. You should ask to your host provider, set it to minimum to 300 megabytes because some WordPress templates are big. Just we'll see how many megabytes are our file. Click on file here and find in your computer all-in-one migration, special all-in-one migration imported file. Just a moment, I'll find it. I think it is here, must be here, black and white. Well, here is, I found it. And what you should do, you should click it, open, and process has been started. Should wait. It depends how your internet connection is fast. Then you should click proceed. Then wait again. And I think everything is okay now. Click finish. And now we should see what's up. As you can see, I think everything should be okay. Yes, by one click, we have installed full template with its images, original images. Everything is okay now.